What's up guys, this is Mike from Tech, and this is my unboxing and review of the Infinix Smart HD 2021. Weird name, I know. This phone starts at about 40,000 naira or 90 USD, so it's strictly in the budget category. So let's see what sacrifices were made to trickle down this price range and if this is the best phone at its price in 2021. Let's get started. So firstly, the unboxing experience. This is a relatively small slim box compared to the rest. I just hope nothing is missing from this young man. Firstly, you get the smartphone. Turning into the back, we have the blue colored variant here. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get in the box. Here we get some documents, the earpiece, the micro USB cord, and the charging brick. We also get the free plastic TPU case and some Infinix X Club stickers. I guess the box is a bit slimmer because they didn't arrange the documents and the accessories of this phone in the box properly. I hope you're hearing that, Apple and Samsung. You don't need to remove anything from the box to make it smaller or to save the earth, as you guys may say. Just throw them in randomly, scatter them for all I care. I am not complaining whatsoever. Okay, back to the smartphone. Something I noticed with this device, when I peeled off the first sticker, I noticed that this device was already turned on. I might have accidentally turned it on while I was testing out the case, but I don't know, it felt really weird. This is an Infinix device, so it runs on the custom XOS scheme. I've talked about this in my previous video. Major Pro, app drawer, major con, Bluetooth, that's just it. Coming to the speed. This device is amazingly slow. Yeah, you can notice this while scrolling through the app drawer and just general use. Can't imagine what will happen to this phone after using it for 6 months, and especially if you are using high-end games. And just look at those bezels. This reminds me of my Tecno P5 from 2015. That might be an over-exaggeration, but still, this phone definitely isn't winning any award for the best screen-to-body ratio. Hell no. Coming to the cameras. For the price, these cameras are pretty decent. This is a dual rear camera setup, so you don't get the kind of versatility you get in more expensive phones with up to 4 cameras behind, but the camera is usable and it's going to get the job done. It also records 1080p video at 30 frames per second from both the front and back cameras, and at this price range I feel it's pretty impressive. For the rest of the specifications, you get up to 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. You have a 6.1 inch 720 by 1560 IPS LCD display with a 76.7% screen to body ratio. It has a 5000 mAh battery and is powered by the MediaTek Helio A20. This chip can handle light games like Subway Surfers and Panda Pop, but installing PUBG on this smartphone will make it eventually pop, so don't do it. So with all these mentioned specs, this smartphone excels in battery life. And even though this smartphone is not the fastest in the world or takes the best photos, for the price it comes at, I feel this is the best bang for your buck, and I highly recommend this device for someone whose budget is less than $100. Alright, thanks for watching this video. My name is Mike, you've been watching Tech, and I'll see you when I see you in my next video.